the German packaging prize for 2012 has seen some rather interesting entries and winners as well. I think we've seen some particularly good ones this year. I'm with here Gerhardt Hauptmann of Huhtamaki, and Gerhardt, you've won a prize for this product which we see here in the flexible area. Can you tell me something about it?
Hello Alan. Of course I can tell you. It's very nice to win a prize, especially these packaging awards, these German packaging award, and this is not the first time we have won it. We have won many prizes of that kind, and at the end, of course, we hope to get something more on that. You know that after the German prize you can go for the global prize, the global award, which is called the World Star, and this is of course the next step. The next step we want to do with our nice idea. Now coming to the ideas, basically we have had many ideas in the last, let's say, 6-7 months on packaging innovation, because we have done a new job in our company which let's say creates a new process how to be innovative, and we have done this together with an institute. So we have put a new organization specifically only for innovation, and the outcome, at least I must say, there were 6-7 new ideas, and so we applied with one of these ideas or two of these ideas to this award. The first thing I just show how it works. This is the best thing. So we have won the prize for a packaging or innovation, what we call integrated tape. Integrated tape it's a word which more or less explains everything, because the good thing on that packaging thing is that we integrate the function which gives to the consumers what we believe a great benefit in respect to convenience. And you know, all these kind of packs where there is a special splicing tape, when you open first and you want to reclose it, so you have a tack or something like that, and this is of course then very convenient to the consumers if they can reclose. But many consumers know that these tacks don't work so good, and they splice sometimes only 1, 2, 3, 4 times, and they don't work anymore. But the main part is, and this is what our interest is, we look to our customers and to the consumers, and integrated means everything in function is already on the reel we supply. So that means that the customer has not to add anything on his packing line. So he has the whole functionality already on the reel we supply. So now I explain how it works. This is just to demonstrate that there is a small stripe on this is a pack what everybody knows in different application. There's a small stripe, and when you touch it here, you can see this stripe is attachable. Yes, and I don't want to do on that one here. I take another one because this is our showcase.
Oh yes, certainly. Yes.
So I take another one, which is not.
Here's what you did earlier.
So you open the pack first,
yes,
and then you have access to this kind of let's say tape, but which is part of the whole printing already, and you can open it this way. So you pull it off, yes? Yes. And now the consumer has opened the pack and has put things out. So now he normally puts those things, he put it together, yeah? And then you can use this tape here, which is already integrated, and you have it reclosed. So now the pack is reclosed, as it would be with a normal splicing tape, what you can have as an extra function. Therefore, it's integrated, one of these ideas.
Yes. Now, how many times do you think that's going to stick back again?
I guess you can do 6, 7, 8 times. So that is it's normally enough. So of course, this is like with all splicing tapes or reclosable function. It will be always a little bit less from one to the other.
Of course, yeah. I think that stands the reason. But as you said earlier, my experience is that you're lucky if it re-sticks the first time of use. So that's very good.
Exactly, Alan. So the point, of course, is this is now the first time we ever made it on commercial, not commercial. This is the first time we printed on a commercial machine. Yes. So that means, of course, it's not yet in the market, of course. So we go out to the market now, we show to the customers, and of course the feedback from many customers, especially who have this kind of functionality, is very enthusiastic and say, wow, great idea, we want to have it. Yeah. Yes. So it's now the time for us to say how we can put it into the market. So it could take half a year, it could take 1 year, and sometimes it can take 2 years before you see something in the market which is brand new.
Yes, absolutely.
Second idea, which is, so basically we have two prices,
Yes.
but it's one price for similar things.
Yes.
What we call integrated reclose.
Mm-hmm.
Again here, so there is an opening and reclosure function in a vertical or horizontal pack, which is already in the reel. So nothing has to be added from the customer on his machine. No glider, no slipper, no tape or something like that. So how it works, just to show, you see here, it's a marking.
Yes.
Again here, this is second print we did on that, but it's done now a little bit on a higher volume, so you have easy access to this kind of thing, and you can take it, you open. It's, in this case, is transparent outside, but all you can make it colored outside.
Yeah, it was more difficult.
Now
I think,
it's open, and you see immediately the pouch is open.
Yes.
So, and now you can take out your, whatever it is, your rubber beer and can eat, and then you can, and you can reclose, and now you really have it tight reclosed, absolutely tight.
Yeah.
And you can, next time maybe you have eaten, not, we should eat more than one, maybe 20 pieces, that's what the people want.
Yeah.
Then you open again, and take out, reclose, open again, and so on and so on.
Yes.
So that's it. But again here, it's all on the reel.
Yes.
A single reel, nothing else, nothing added, nothing special. So you can, on any pouch making machine, pouch filling line, you can use it without any modification.
That's existing equipment.
Existing equipment. Nothing to add.
That's great.
That's the idea behind. So that means it's from the point of, from the producers, it's very easy to start.
Okay, that's great.
That's it.
Thank you very much.
That's the price.